Okay, so we're back again with more on Octave online. And so here is the code we ended with. I just wanted to make a couple of notes here. One is that the command to clear your memory, the variables out, is clear. So type in clear to clear all your memory. And also if you want to clear this window here, this window with lines 17, 18, 19, 20, and that kind of stuff, you can type in CLC. So if I type in CLC, it clears that window out as well. Okay, so now I've cleared out my variables and my command window. What I want to do now is I want to type in, or I want to show how to use a sample script. And so here's a sample script that I've typed up. I've just used just a plain text editor, and I've typed this in. This is a sample script for Matlab Octave, and then I've typed in the Matlab commands that I wanted to enter. Okay, and now I'm going to save this. Let me pause while I save this real quick, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. Okay, so I've saved this as sample script 01, and what's important here is that the file name ends in a .m. Okay, so MATLAB files are .m files. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to find this file in your directory, and then you can you want to drop the file over on the right here to upload it to MATLAB. Okay, now this is only going to work if you have an account on Octave Online, and so go ahead and give yourself an account on Octave Online. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, and it also allows you to save your files. Okay, so go ahead and do that. I'm going to upload this file that I've just written to Octave Online, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I've uploaded sample script 01.m, and you can see here that it does look like the same file that I just loaded before here. I can make some room. Okay, and so the way to use this now is when I type the name of the file, sample script 01, into the command window, it'll run whatever commands I've typed in. So in this case, I'll just write sample script 01. Notice I don't have to use the .m now. Okay, and then if I hit return, it goes through and it executes all the commands that I asked it to. So it entered the matrix A, the vector B, and then it computed xhat. Okay, and so that is how to run or how to use a script file. Notice that my variables are here. So one way that I use this often is that I will give you a script file with a bunch of data in it. And so in the command window, you would just type the name of the file like we did here, and then all the variables would appear, would get loaded with data and would appear in this variables column. Okay, and then you could use the variables. You could now type, like, for example, whoops, I'm not sure what that happened. Okay, there we go. Inverse A transpose times A transpose times B. If I wanted to solve this, I could solve that. So I could work with these variables as is. Good. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns about running a script file in MATLAB, let me know. Octave Online is free again, so it's easy to construct or to get an account. And at this point now you can save your code in your files over here. You can even save your workspace if you want. I believe there's a way to do that. Okay, I'll have to play around with that to find out where that option is, but I think there is that option somewhere around here. Play around with Octave Online for a little bit. Get used to it. It's nice to use. Okay, that's enough. I'll see you in class.